Hi, this is Kavita Sani and I'm a legal intern of Lexington Company and I'm a law student of IME Law College. And today we are going to discuss about a new topic, which is Aadhaar and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2019. Parliament has passed the Aadhaar and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2019, which allows voluntary use of Aadhaar as proof identity. The existing Aadhaar Act provides for the use of Aadhaar number as proof of identity of a person subject to authentication. The bill replaces this provision to that individual may voluntarily use his Aadhaar number to establish his identity by authentication or offline verification. The bill states that authentication of an individual's identity via Aadhaar for the provision of any service may be made mandatory only by a few law of Parliament. And now we discuss the features of this bill. The bill provides for offline verification of an individual's identity through modes specified by the Unique Identification Authority of India (UIDAI) by regulation. For the offline verification, the bill mandates the agency must obtain the consent of the individual, inform them of alternative to sharing information, and not collect, use or store Aadhaar number or biometric information. The bill provides for an individual to voluntarily use his Aadhaar number to establish his identity by authentication or offline verification. The bill also empowers the Parliament to make Aadhaar authentication of an individual identity mandatory for the provision of any service by law. The bill amends the Telegraph Act 1885 and the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 to authorize person with a license to maintain a telegraph banking identity of their clients by authentication or offline verification of Aadhaar, passport or any other document notified by the central government. However, the client has the choice of either mode to verify his identity. The bill states that no person shall be denied by any service for not having an Aadhaar number. Under the bill, an entity may be allowed to perform authentication through Aadhaar if the UIDAI is satisfied that is compliant with certain standard of privacy and security permitted by law, seeking authentication for a purpose specified by central government in the interest of the state. At the time of enrolling a child to obtain an Aadhaar number, the enrolling agency shall seek the consent of parent or guardian and inform parent and guardian about the manner in which the information will be used. After attaining 18 years of age, the child may apply for cancellation of his Aadhaar. The bill provides that the disclosure is pursuant to an order of High Court and also allows disclosure on direction of officers not below the rank of secretary. The bill creates the Unique Identification Authority of India Fund, to which all fees, grants and charges received by the UIDAI and shall be credited. The fund shall be used for expenses of UIDAI and including salaries and allowances of the employees. The bill allows the individual to register complaint in certain cases, including information impersonation or disclosure of their identity. The bill empowers UIDAI to initiate a complaint against an entity in the Aadhaar ecosystem for failure to comply with the act of the UIDAI's direction and furnish information required by the UIDAI. The bill provides telecom dispute settlement and appellate tribunal as an appellate authority against decision of the adjudicating officer. The bill intends to replace an ordinance promulgated on March 2, 2019. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. So do like, share, comment, subscribe the channel. Thank you.